strange light in the sky right now. That's the moon. I don't know, I can't see it on the camera, but it's like flashing red. The fuck is that? Looks weird.